Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Guys, if you are using any old laptop and you are facing speed issue or lagging issue by using various applications at your laptop, then this video will be very helpful for you, because in this video we will give you the step-by-step guideline how you can upgrade your old laptop and increase the speed of your old laptop 10 times more than before. So make sure you watch the video till end so that you don't miss any important step. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start the video. Guys, I will upgrade a Dell 15-3000 series laptop. In this process, I will upgrade the old hard disk with Samsung 860 EVO SSD. I have already made a review on it. You can check it in the I button. Now to upgrade the SSD, we need a 9.5mm caddy. You can find the size of the caddy at the user manual or type the model number on Google, and it is very easy to search the size of the caddy as per your need. Caddy is easily available on Amazon within very low cost. I will give the link in the description box of both the SSD and the caddy. In the first step, we will open the back cabinet of the laptop to access the hard disk. Different laptop models have different ways to access the hardware. Now you can place the SSD here or place the SSD in the caddy section. I prefer to place the SSD in the hard disk slot to gain the maximum speed, but do not forget to power off before doing that. Now remove the battery. Now it's unscrew the hard drive and detach the cover from the hard drive. Now we will install the hard drive to the caddy and screw the caddy so that the hard drive do not slide further and keep it aside. Now to install the SSD, we need to place the male pin to the female connector port and place the cover to tight the SSD. There it is. A little pressure will do the job done. To lock the SSD, we need to place the cover here. The first job has done. Now you can cover the back cabinet. And to remove the DVD drive cabinet, we need to unscrew this pin, and a little pressure will remove the CD drive or the DVD drive from your laptop. Now we need to detach this notch from the DVD drive, and we will attach the notch to the new caddy. And finally, from the optical DVD drive, we need to detach the front panel and fit the front panel to the caddy very carefully. No need to press hard. Now just slide the caddy and tight the caddy in the laptop. Final step of the hardwiring part is to connect the battery, which is the most simple way and you already know. So guys, after completing the hardware installation, we just need to power on the laptop. You will be shocked that the SSD is not running. To initialize the SSD, we need to go to the start button and we need to type disk management. Clicking on disk management tab, immediately a new window will pop up. There you can see the SSD is not initialized. We need to click on GPT and then OK. Now SSD is showing as unallocated space. Now just to right click on it and select new simple volume. After that, next, and again next. You can assign any drive letter here. We are assigning S letter here. Then next, and you can set any name here or leave as it is. Now next, and finally finish. Now SSD is showing in my computer section also. You can clone the old Windows in the new SSD or skip the cloning process and install a fresh window in it. Guys, to clone the operating system, searching at Google, you will find so many softwares, but it will ask you to be registered or you need to buy them. In this video, I will provide you a free edition software, that is Macrium software. If you search the Macrium at Google, the searchable interface is looking like this. We need to click on the first website. Then we need to click on the home use button. Now click on continue, and there it will be downloaded automatically. And as you know, after downloading you need to install it and open it. The interface will look like this. You can see the system files and the local drive partitions are at the top, and below you can find the SSD. In the SSD we need to clone. We need to click on the clone disk button and then click select a disk to clone. Because I need a fresh drive, so I am deleting all the partitions in it. And after deleting the files, we need to drag all the system files which we need to clone Or the second option is to select the files including the system files, and after that you need to click on the copy selected partitions, and after doing that we need to click on the next button, and after clicking the next button the next interface will look like this, and again we need to click on the next button. Finally we get a finish button to click, and we will redirect to a backup asking window where we need to click OK, and a new window will pop up asking all target volume data will be overwritten. Now just click on continue. As per the file size you need to wait, or you can grab a cup of tea. Guys, after completing the cloning, the final work is to restart to change the boot so that we can start from SSD as a primary boot option. Now pressing F2 key in my case will redirect the boot menu. Now select boot option 1 and then select SSD and exit, and the final yes button will complete the job. Now if you use the second hard drive as a data storage, to do that I have made another video. You can check that from our channel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share with your beloved people. And if you are facing any issue, make sure you comment us below in the comment section. Thanks for tuning Utopian Days.